Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on Roku TV. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, navigate to the system. Right here you should be able to find advanced system settings at the bottom. We can click on that and move to factory reset. Here you'll find two different options. First one is reset TV audio/picture settings. And this won't erase everything, just change what it's noted, and that's audio and picture settings. And you can do it by pressing on the play and pause button on your remote 3 times. Then another way is factory reset everything. That means your TV will return to its factory state, and that is everything will be gone. And we're gonna go with the latter option, which is factory reset everything. And here enter the PIN password for your parental controls, which is for me 1234. Click on OK. Or actually, sorry, that's my mistake. So we can see the code below, which is 2731 2731. You can see that code underneath OK. So let's click on that and start the factory reset. After that, your TV should return to its factory state. And here we are at the setup. That means factory reset is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.